Hi, welcome everyone. My name is Cecilia Sanchez, and today I want to share with you how to do loose watercolor roses. First, we're going to need some brushes. I prefer using Chinese brushes. We're gonna need water, a glass of water. We're going to need Winston and Newton watercolor. This is called permanent rose, and you can also use rose madder from Mission. Let's go like this. We also gonna need some pens and markers, the same color, pink, and a notebook, your watercolor press paper, and that's it, and a napkin, of course, so you can clean your brushes. Okay, first we're gonna start by making some lines, so practicing lines. So get your notebook and let's begin. Get the markers and pens that you got, pink color, and start by tracing triangular lines. Start from the middle, go all around. As you go outside, as you make your rose bigger, you also are making your lines larger. Now I'm gonna use some markers so we can see how it looks. The inside is always darker. Your lines are gonna be triangular or curvy. Now I'm gonna use a different marker, a different pen. As always, I start in the middle and the center by putting lines more close together, and also trying to make the color darker. And I think we're ready to begin painting. So get your brush. I'm gonna choose this one. This is the brush that I like to use. Gonna add water in my brush. Then gonna get my notebook. These are my colors. I'm gonna get some of the permanent rose. I'm going to put a lot of paint on my brush all over the permanent rose, and enough, making sure I have enough water. And then at the point of my brush, I'm gonna add a little bit of the other rose madder, only on the point. And let's begin. First, I'm gonna start from one right here. As you see, I'm doing curvy lines, leaving a white spot in the middle. Always leave permanent. Always leave negative spaces between each petal. Your lines have to start very close to each other. Triangular lines, but also curvy lines. as you open the flower is opening, you also gonna make bigger lines. Your strokes, the strokes have to be bigger, so get more paint and more water too. See, bigger strokes, triangular shape. As we make our outside petals, the bigger petals, they're also gonna be lighter. You gotta add more water to your brush. Bigger strokes and lighter. Bigger and lighter. Still leaving negative spaces between each petal. To me, this looks good like this. I don't want to add anything else. I think it's fine. Now I'm gonna use mostly the dark rose madder. It's almost red, this color. And I'm gonna make another one right here. This one I want to make it a little bit more triangular, using my strokes a little bit more triangular and close together. I need more water. As you see, I'm doing my lines, my strokes are more triangular. I need more water. It's important to leave your spaces, because that's what it gives that shape to your petals. As you paint the outside petals, the strokes get more like you gotta slide your brush a little bit to form the petal. Be careful not to, when you're making petals, not to paint over the other petal. It's very easy to paint over the other petal and forget about the other ones. So, like I said, the outside petals have to be lighter. It's so fun to paint roses that you don't want to stop. It's like you want to continue making it bigger and bigger. It's like you never know when to stop. So fun. It's very satisfactory to see how beautiful roses are. Okay. I want to make another one that is lighter color, so I'm going to use the Rose Permanent. I really like this color, and I'm going to make a small one in the top right here. This time I'm going to use more curvy lines. I'm going to try, so it's one and And that's it. We can keep making more and more. Like if I make a tiny one in here, I'm gonna use just more and more water. The more water you use, like I said, the lighter your rose will be. So now I'm just gonna add some leaves to my rose. Not too many, just enough leaves to make it look a little bit more interesting. And finally, I'm just gonna sign it. It's incredible, we're in 2021. Well, my roses are done. I hope you enjoy it. And bye.